Hello, my name is Amaka Epo. I am from the Igbo ethnicity in Africa, and I teach Igbo spirituality. I have many fans that do like my videos, and I have promised that I will be sharing our belief, the Igbo spirituality, with my non-Igbo followers once every month. So this is it. And this video is for my non-Igbo followers. And it's a sign to show to appreciate your support. Once again, thank you for following me. Okay, like I've said, I've told you where I come from. Igbo. In Igbo spirituality, we believe in the Supreme God. We call Chukwu Okike. We also believe in other gods. And there are many gods in creation. The sun, the moon, the Mother Earth, the great goddess. There are many gods in Igbo spirituality that we acknowledge with respect and honor. We also believe in personal God. We call that Onyowa or Chi. So if you have an Igbo friend, you perhaps your friend's name could be something like Chukwu Emeka, meaning that the Supreme God has gone great. Many Igbo names you hear Chi, 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 or Chukwu. It's all about the honoring, the honor and the respect we give to God, the Supreme God, and our God, the personal God, individual gods, Onyowa or Chi. We also believe that in creation, that the Supreme God have assigned different roles to other gods. There are big gods in creation. There are smaller gods as well. Big and small depending on the role they play in creation. And for instance, the sun and the moon is quite big God because of the role, and the Mother Earth, the role it plays in creation. So the sun, for instance, and the moon is for every humanity, it's for the entire earth. That's why it's a bigger God and has a bigger role. There are other smaller gods and deities that have smaller roles because they are responsible for smaller communities in Igbo land. We also believe that in creation, that things are planned, organized, and were structured, and nothing happens by accident. And in Igbo spirituality, we have times of the months, different season, when we acknowledge those gods and make sacrifices and offerings to acknowledge them and thank them for the role they play in our lives and the entire creation. Perhaps our spirituality sounds similar to your own belief, perhaps Christianity or other beliefs. The idea of supreme God and of angels and of other spirits, very similar. In our own spirituality, the Igbo spirituality, that we have spirits. We call them mo, and they all play vital roles in our lives and humanity and the entire creation, that everything is working for the benefit and for the goodness of mankind. That's the core of Igbo spirituality, and there's quite a lot in it. But this video is to say thank you to my non-Igbo followers. Thanks for following me, for liking my videos, which I do in Igbo language. Even though you don't not understand the Igbo language, but you followed me and you've supported me. So thank you so much. So this is my promise that I was going to start releasing videos every month to share certain aspect of our belief with you. Is one God, the Supreme God, and it's Chuk in Igbo language, Chukwu Okike, the God of creation, and everything in creation that the Supreme God and the other gods have done or are doing is all for benefit and goodness of humanity. Once again, thank you so much, and remain blessed.